Hello, staff. I just wanted to spend a quick couple minutes and show you guys something neat I learned at McCall, I believe, in 2018. This is called Classroom Screen. Here's the website up here. It's just classroomscreen.com. And it's just a real simple thing, but I found a lot of uses for it. So it's just a screen for your classroom. So I'll go through some of the things on here. Down here at the bottom, you just kind of turn things on and off. You've got a clock you can put on here. I'm not sure all the different things you can do with it, but so got a calendar there you can put up on the screen. You can put these kind of anywhere on the screen you want. So there's the clock, and timer I use a lot. So you can just go, you can kind of create your timer pretty quickly and easily. And then the really neat thing is on the sounds. There are a ton of different sounds. I'm not sure these are going to play here, so I don't know if you heard that. But these different things will play at the end of each timer, so it's really neat. So I use the timer a lot. Oftentimes I'll just zoom in on my screen like this, put that full screen, and tell kids they have a certain amount of time to finish, and then the sound goes off, and they really like all the different sounds. If I want to just continuous timer, sometimes I do things for like 10, 20 seconds. So I'll just do 20 seconds. And then you just pop up this counter. And so it just continues to keep counting down with a little alarm going off. So I use that one quite a lot, probably the most of anything on there. Traffic light, I think maybe for more of an elementary thing, just gives you little lights you can use. Work symbols, again, this may be more elementary thing, but you can kind of just put on the screen what mode you want students to be in for that point in the activity. Text, this allows you just to put text. You can paste directions from anything you want. You got lots of different editing features here, but you can just put tons of text on there, instructions for the day, whatever you'd like to do. Drawing is just that. You can just draw whatever you need to or want to. Here's another full screen drawing tool. QR code, if you want to pop up any kind of, so let's say you want them to go to CNN.com, you just CNN.com, hit enter, and then kids can QR code that. And you can probably even you can zoom this in so it's easier for them to scan. Easy. So QR codes quickly, easily on the screen. Sound level, I tend not to do, but what it does is it will, depending on how sensitive and whatnot you have it, the students will, if they hit a certain level, it might make an alarm or tell students that it's too loud in here. I find when I put this up, kids just try to yell and see if they can get it to go red. I don't use it a lot. This is great if you don't have TeamShake, or if you want to put something like this in. You can choose a text file of all your students' names, and then it just rolls the dice. Well, this is just dice, but this is a team. It'll select some students' names at random. So TeamShake, an app, does this, which I use. But if you don't have TeamShake or want to just do it in class, that's an option too. Background, chooses your background. Language, I think just that chooses your language, what language you want to use in the class. So just want to show you that real quick. It's called classroomscreen.com. It might be something you use in your class quite a bit. All right, thanks a lot.